All right, let's do our sound games. Our 3 sound games. Let's start with the first sound. Let's identify. Watch. Where is the first sound of leaf? Okay, ready, raccoon? Okay. Leaf. That's right. Is the first sound of leaf. Look closely. What is on the leaf? Look closely. What's on the leaf? Can you point to it? Look.
Point to a white dot.
Very good, Johan. Very good. That little white dot. It's an egg, right? An egg. The caterpillar egg, right? So, what's the first sound for egg? Egg. Oops. Do it again. Egg. That's right. All right, let's move on. Ooh, look at this. We have a caterpillar. What's the first sound for caterpillar? Caterpillar. That's right. All right. How about the sun that shines on the caterpillar? Sun. Sun. That's right. Okay, very good. Ooh, look at this. How about this? The butterfly. 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 Very good, raccoon. Nice. Let's move on to the second game, okay? Now, let's put parts of words together and make the word. Let's use a few of these. Okay. Ooh. Oh, these are long words. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to have to do this together. Okay, raccoon, you ready? Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Whoa, that's long. Okay, I'll do it now. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. That's right. Now let's do butterfly. Okay, I'll go first this time. Oops. I'm going to go first. Not you, raccoon. Okay. Butterfly. Butterfly. Oh, okay. Raccoon's turn. Butterfly. Butterfly. Good job blending. Very good. Oh, what's this right here? I see a cupcake. Cupcake. Let's do it. Okay, raccoon, go ahead. Cupcake. Very good. Ooh, how about this? We got look at this. A chocolate cake. Let's do chocolate. Okay. I'll go first. Oops. I'll go first. Okay. Oops. I'll go first. Okay. Chocolate. Okay, raccoon's turn. Chocolate. Oh, very good. Let's do a few more. Okay. How about, what's that? Johan, point to the apple, sweetie.
Oh, he found the apple.
Very good, Johan. We knew you could do it. Apple. Okay. Ready, raccoon? Yes. Apple. Very good blending it. Nice. Okay, how about the strawberry? Johan, point to the strawberry, sweetie. Where's the strawberry?
Where's the strawberry, Johan? Strawberry. A red one. That's an apple, another red.
Oh, that's tricky. Okay, let's get closer to you.
What's another red? Red, right there. He found it.
That's right. It's the strawberry. Good. Okay, ready? Okay, I will go first. Strawberry. Okay, raccoon's turn. Strawberry. All right, good work. Last game. Listen for the rhyme in the 2 words that I give you, okay? I'll say the words, and then raccoon, and I will do it. And at home, if you could say the word, say it. Johan, say it in your mind, sweetie. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay. 6 fix. they end with the ick sound. I'll say it again. 6 fix. You say it. 6 fix. See? They both end with the ick sound. That's the rhyme. Okay, I'm going to go faster now. Ready? All right. 7 heaven. 7 heaven. All right. 8 gate. Let's do it. 8 gate. 9 line. Let's do it. 9 line. 10 hen. Let's do it. 10 hen. All right, we're all done with our sound games. Good work.